Hey guys, in this episode, well, not really episode, but in this video, I'll be showing you how to install a CSGO server on your machine. So, for this, you're going to need Steam CMD, which I'll put the link for in the description. So, just go ahead and download that. And then after that, I'm just going to need you to extract it to any folder. So, I'm going to drop it in here because it a CSGO server is going to take like 15 gigabytes or whatever. Um, so you're gonna have to extract it to any folder you want, and then after that's done, you just have to run it, and then it'll update. So this might take some time, but yeah, just sit there until it's done updating, and then we'll continue after. Alright, and now that that's done, we can go ahead and start installing CSGO. So, if you want to install it other than the default directory, which is Steam apps, you can choose so by using the force install dir and then or whatever directory you want here, but I'm gonna leave it as default for now. So now you have to log in to the Steam servers using login anonymous. This is so you can install the game, so you don't actually have to sign in using your account. You can just use anonymous login in anonymous login. My English is amazing to install the CSGO server. So now you just type app update 740 and then validate and hit enter, and the install process will start. And this also might take a while, so yeah, just wait for this to finish up and then we'll make it to the. I'll show you what to do after that. Alright, our CSGO server is now done downloading and it is the next day. So after your server is done downloading, you can go into Steam Apps or wherever you downloaded it. But I just downloaded it here just for the default, just for the video. And what you're going to want to do is if you run this, it's going to run with like basically no options, and so it's really not going to do anything, which it should. And so what you need to do is you need to create a start file, the start.bat, so you can start the server with custom options and stuff, which those you can find on a website that I'll link down below. Anyways, here are the options that I normally use. So we have the game, so this tells it what game to run, and then we have the map group, and then this port you are going to have to change if you are running it on the same machine as you're playing CS:GO on. Otherwise, because they use the same port, it just won't work. So make sure that this is changed if you are playing CS:GO on the same computer. So once that's done, you can go ahead and launch it, and you'll see a new window opens up here, and your CSGO server will start. Now, right now, it's not going to show up on the community server list. So to do that, you have to go to the website in the description, and you will see that you have to register for a token, and you put that in your start.bat file as well, along with the other options, and it will work just fine. So yeah, that is how you create a CSGO server, and then yeah, and then you connect to it using your public IP, which I'm not going to show here, but you connect to it using that if you port forwarded it. If you did not port forward it with your router, then you have to use your local IP and then the port that you specified, which would look like let's just go an example here. So like this is what you would type in to your client to connect to your server if this is your IP of your computer, and then the port that you specified in the start.bat. So yeah, that's about all on how to create a CSGO server. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.